Good afternoon. This is Atik Agarwal. I am the owner of a brand named Froozo. And before starting, I just want to give small introduction about Froozo. That we started this brand in 2017, and by God grace, as of now, we are sitting of around 54 outlets pan India, and we are present in more than 15 plus states and more than 20 plus cities pan India. Uh, uh, let's I just go through one presentation so you'll be able to understand the brand in more details, and you'll come to know what all things we do and what is the reason behind our success. So let's start with a small presentation. Okay, Froozo, as name says, that we are completely into like it's a complete fast food cafe, and the big concept, the unique concept of ours is that we provide them with a live kitchen. Everything will be made fresh and in front of the customers. So as I said, that we started this restaurant in 2017. Our main purpose of starting this restaurant is to get something unique. We were the first one to start up with the live ice creams in a taco. Actually, it's a concept which we saw in Australia, and we tried to get it over here. Yes. So also I want to say that we are the only cafe which manufactures our own raw material. We have our own factory where we manufacture our own fillings. We manufacture our own sauces. The two reasons that we started this factory is to keep the food cost very low, as we have our own manufacturing unit. So our food cost is very less. It is somewhere to around 15 to 20%. Whereas if you compare to any other cafe, it goes somewhere around 40 to 45%. So this helps us to open our cafes in tier 2 and tier 3 cities as well, where the spending power of the customer is not much higher. Even if you see the menu prices which we have kept in Bombay, we have kept around 15 to 20% lesser than tier 2, tier 3 cities, so that it doesn't affect the customer's pocket. Second reason to start our own factory, own manufacturing unit is that nobody can copy our taste. So we have our own uniqueness and own recipes to cook the food. So nobody can copy, because we supply our raw materials only to our Froozo franchisees. So nobody can copy our taste, right? So moving on to, so why us? Because we have a huge menu. If you see our menu, we have a. I'll take you through our menu as well. We have a huge menu in our kitty. We started with, initially when we started in 2017, we started with somewhere around only with a dessert and 2 or 3 munchies in our menu. But now if you see, we have a huge menu and we have registered ourselves as a cafe. We have pizza, pasta, burger, nachos, sandwiches, naans. Even in the desert, if you see, we have live ice cream burgers, live ice creams, waffles, pancakes, shakes. So we have more than 30 categories in our menu, serving around 130 items in the cafe. So that is why the Froozo is growing, because we have different variety of food in our menu. And if people of a huge group coming to our cafe want to have different things, they can all together come to our cafe. So that is one reason that the people take our Froozo franchisee. So our belief is like what you see, what you hear, what you smell, and what you taste. As I said, that we have a live kitchen concept, the people can actually see what we are preparing. They can actually smell and taste. Like they can also adjust the taste according to their. If someone want to have spicy, they can add more of things. So the people can actually make whatever they want. So these are the small list of our outlets where we are present. This is somewhere around 1 year back. So we have increased somewhere around 18 outlets in last 1 year. So it's written here 40 outlets, but we are now at sitting on 54 outlets pan India. Yes. So we started this journey in 2017. We are serving across pan India. We have trained and experienced people pan India, and we also provide training to the people who take our franchisee. Dedicated manager, like as you know that जैसे बैंक में एक relationship manager हर एक जन को allocate किया जाता है, वैसे ही per outlet we allocate a relationship manager. So if you have any small queries or anything related to your cafe, you can speak to your relationship manager, and that thing will be sorted within 24 hours. Large base of loyal customers. We have more than 30 million customers pan India. We have a huge walk-ins of volumes of walk-in. People are coming in. We have a good presence pan India. If you see, we have a good presence on all the social medias: Zomato, Swiggy, Instagram, Facebook. So we have a huge followers in on all the social media pages. Yes. Why Froozo franchisee? Because, as I said, that it's a very unique business model. We have kept the business model very simple. I'll take you through the business model also. Excellent margin. As I said, that we have a very good food margin, as our food cost is very low. So we have a very good food margin. Operating procedure is very simple. We have kept the operating procedures to be very simple. So that's the reason the operation cost has gone down. That's the reason the operation cost has gone down. We do continuous. We have a separate team who does which do the research and development on each and every product. So every 6 months we try to get new product in our kitty. So that's the reason we are so successful, because our team continuously researches and develop the new product in our kitty. Continuously feedback, like every month we speak to our franchisee, how is it going and how is it happening. So every month we try to monitor if in some outlet the sales are less, so we try to increase the marketing activity through the social media pages. So, and also we having a very good contact with the local PR and the influencer supports. So we are tied up with the influencers. We do a lot of local PR as well as the pan India PR activities. So these are the reasons that we are, the reason behind our success is that we are 100% pure veg. Okay, we have some Jain options also in our menu. Okay, the customer first always, like whatever the customer want, because we have a live ice cream concept, live kitchen concept. So whatever the customer wants, we can do it there and there. Homegrown and authentic recipes. And the most important thing that it is value for money. Whatever our prices menu, if you see, it's not much on the higher side. So it's most important thing that the customer willing to pay not much higher prices in the menu. Our investment model, if you see, there are two investment model. One is for 10 lakh and one is for 15 lakh. Okay, I'll just go through with the investment model. So this is our investment model. We provide each and everything. That's all of the machinery which we provide. This is the interior part which we provide. Kitchen utilities, the things which are required in the kitchen, like the SAVOURY item, the SAVOURY cutleries, crockery, storage boxes and everything. Electronics like the TVs, ACs, software, CCTV cameras, air conditions. Other utilities includes the raw material, the training part, transportation, documentation. Even the documentation like the FSSAI license and everything will be done from our end. So if you see our achievements, we have been rewarded as the fastest growing cafe in 2018 and 2019. Even in 2021, we were rewarded as the fastest growing cafe. We have got 2 pancake awards at the best pancake awards in Mumbai. Okay. And it is the fastest growing cafe since 2018. So these are few our achievements. Even in Zomato, if you see, we've been rewarded as the 3rd largest growing online orders in Mumbai in 2019. So this is a small pic of a menu. If you see, we have pizza, pasta, salads, we have stuffed nanzas, we have burgers, we have monster shakes, we have bubble waffles. So a lot of things that's there in our menu. So this is a few pic of our interiors. This is a customized wallpaper which we designed for all our Froozo outlets. The space required is somewhere around 350 to 400 square feet. Well, for a comfortable sitting of around 20 to 25 people. These are some food pictures. These are the media coverage. If you'll see, or if you go to YouTube channel, you can see our all the media coverage over there. A lot of people have covered us. A lot of influencers have covered us. Curly Tails, a big influencer which have around more than 10 million followers on their page, they have also covered us. If you see the marketing part, we are Pan India tied up with 91.1 FM. So yearly twice at least we do marketing on 91.1 FM. Also, we are tied up with the Times of India for hoardings and the newspaper inserts and everything. So we also have got tied up with a lot of marketing agencies as well. So here was the small presentation